look at the encyclical on climate change. It's all about, you know, we have responsibilities. We have to husband this planet. I mean, and I'm excited, quite frankly, as a practicing Catholic. I am really excited by the whole world is getting to see what are the basic essential elements of what constitutes Catholicism.
You mentioned the encyclical Laudato Si, which had an enormous impact. Some folks in this country, some of the candidates for president have said that the Pope should stay out of politics.
He should really not be really involved in politics. But they're wrong about that.
Yeah.
He didn't get into politics. He made it clear. It is not the papacy's role to be the scientist in chief and or the political arbiter. But what he talked about are basic fundamental assertions. Look, the way I read it, is it was an invitation, almost a demand, that a dialogue began internationally to deal with what is the single most consequential problem and issue facing humanity right now. And so the fact that he talked about, you know, I mean, even our Department of Defense has written long papers several years ago talking about what a danger to national security failure to deal with this is. Sea levels rise another foot. You've got tens of millions of people being displaced. You think there's a migration problem in Syria. Watch what happens when hundreds of millions of people in the South Asia are displaced, trying to find new territory to live. Look what's happened with Darfur. Darfur is all about climate change. It's about arable land being evaporating, figuratively and literally, and warring over land. So I think it's a total misrepresentation of the Pope's encyclical to say it's a political document. It's a human document.